Hello Visitians, this is the video tutorial for the third problem of code Kshetra named Ravi Shankar and his problem. Ravi Shankar is a normal guy, not related to anything, and he is challenged by his friend Amir with a math problem. And Ravi Shankar needs to prove that he is the best in math. So here's what the problem is. The input is 10 and 3. Now what we have to do is divide 10 into 3 such numbers whose product will be maximum, and obviously the addition should be 10. We need to divide 10 in 3 such numbers, so there are many possibilities in which we can divide 10 into 3 numbers. Like, let's consider some of the possibilities. The first is 6 2 2, then it's 5 2 3, then it's 3 4 3, and so on. There are many possibilities which we can take. These are just few examples. What's in this sum? We have to maximize the product. For the first test case, that is 6 to 2, the product will be 24. For the second example, the product will be 30, and here the product will be 36. This is the same example which was given in the problem, and the answer obviously is 3 4 3 36. So this is what the sum is. So what the logic of this sum is, so there's one thing that you need to know in this sum. The product will be maximum if the difference between the numbers is minimum. As in the earlier example, 6 to 2, the difference between 6 and 2 was 4. That's why the product was not maximum. If we take the example 3 4 3, the product is maximum because the difference between the number is minimum, and this is what the logic of this sum is. The product of the sum would be maximum if the difference between the numbers is minimum. So let's take another example. This is how we will solve this sum. For the same example 10 3 3, as we need to divide 10 into 3 such numbers whose difference will be minimum, so what we'll do is take 3 numbers. This is 1 2 and 3. To minimize the product, we'll divide 10 by 3. So after dividing 10 by 3, obviously we get 3. So initialize each and every element with 3. As the addition is 9, but we need the addition is equal to 10, so as 1 is remaining, so what we'll do, just split this 1 into any of the integer. So this 3 becomes 4, and thus we got the answer for this sum, 433. So thus we divided 10 into 3 such numbers whose product will be maximum, and obviously the difference will be minimum just by dividing the number. 10 is n and 3 is k, so just we need to divide n by k, and after getting this 3, we need to initialize each and every element in the array with 3, and then as 1 is remaining, we just need to increment those many elements to maximize the product and to make the sum equal to 10. So now let's take another example, 18 and 4. So in this example, what we'll do is divide 18 by 4. So answer will be 4, because integer by integer gives an integer. So initialize each and every element with 4. Now just to find the remaining numbers, that is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 16. But as we need the sum of these numbers equal to 18, so 2 is remaining. So what we'll do is 18 mod 4. Mod operator gives you the remainder, so it is 2. So this 2 indicates that we still have 2 numbers that we need to add. Then what we'll do is just increment 2 numbers of the array by 1. So this 4 becomes 5. Again the second 4 becomes 5 because we need to increment 2 numbers. So this is what the logic of this sum was. We just need to divide the numbers in such a way that the product will be maximum, and for doing so what we need to do is the difference between the numbers should be minimum. So this is what the logic of the sum was. We just need to divide n and k, and by the answer that we get, we just need to split it up the number and add the rest of the numbers which are remaining. So thanks guys for watching the video, and for any doubts, do post it in the comment section. This was a good sum. It is a great thing if you crack the logic for this sum. Thanks guys for watching the video. Do subscribe for more such videos. Keep coding.